Hello everyone, so today we're gonna make stamp wax seal. So you'll need a stamp for this. You could use a spoon or a little tool here. And you need some crayons and a candle. So you can see here. So next you just want to put some crayons in your little spoon or a tool in. So I'll use these three colors. I use these three. So next, I'm just gonna grab this and put this by the candle. Let's see if it melted. Oh my god, it's actually melting. That's really cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, let's keep melting. Let's see. It's still melting. It's melting still. Okay. We're almost done. Oh, cool. Look at this. So cool. Okay, we're done here. Oh, okay. So next you're gonna put it in paper and just dip it in. Okay, then I feel that's too much. Okay, it's actually my first time doing it, so I'm gonna just stamp it in. Okay. Hopefully this works. I actually like the color, so yeah. There's still some in here. So I just waited for like 10 seconds, so let's pick it up. Oh god, nope. Didn't work. Okay. Oh, let's try another one then. So I'm gonna choose yellow, white, and pink for this one. Okay, it kind of works a little bit. You can kind of see it right here. So I just got a new piece of paper and some more crayons over here. So just need to put some in here. But this time I'm just gonna put it on like a piece of glass like this one. So I just gotta melt it in. So I already melted, so I'm just gonna pour it onto the glass. Like that. And then I'm just gonna like stamp it in. And this should work pretty easily than with the paper. I don't know why the paper doesn't work though, but yeah. So next I'm just gonna take it off. There you go. Actually done it. This is so cool. So yeah. So this works on glass, but with paper, I don't know, it doesn't work. Let's try this again with paper then. Okay, try these 3 colors. So next we're gonna try it on the paper. Just pour it in normally like this. Then I'll just stamp it like this. Just wait for a couple of seconds. And I think it's like almost done a bit. Okay, so now we're just gonna try to take it off. Hopefully. Okay then. This works on paper. I don't know how this happened, but wow, this is actually the first time that I actually tried it on paper. But I recommend this part, like working with glass, because it's so easy. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, comment down below, and share with your friends and family.